Do you want to speak English like a native? What if I told you that mastering English grammar is easier than you think? Hello, everyone. I am Leo Darren, and welcome to Leo English Channel. Today, I want to share with you my journey and secrets on how I master English grammar. You might think grammar is difficult, boring, or even impossible to learn. But I promise you, it can be simple, fun, and very powerful if you follow the right steps. First, let me tell you something important. Grammar is not just rules on a page. Grammar is the key to express yourself clearly. It helps you speak, write, and understand English better. If you know grammar, you can create sentences, tell stories, and even impress people with your English. Step 1. Start with the basics. When I started, I focused on the simplest things. Nouns, names of people, places, or things. For example, dog, city, book. Verbs, action words. For example, run, eat, write. Adjectives, words that describe nouns. For example, big, beautiful, fast. I made simple sentences every day. For example, the dog runs fast. I have a big book. She is happy. At first, my sentences were very short, but that's okay. You need to practice small sentences first. Step 2. Learn tenses slowly. English has many tenses, but don't worry. You don't need to learn all at once. Start with present simple and past simple. Present simple is, I eat breakfast every day. Past simple is, I ate breakfast yesterday. I used to practice tenses by writing diary sentences. Every day, I wrote what I did and what I am doing. For example, I go to school. Yesterday, I played football. After some weeks, I could see improvement. My sentences became longer, and I could talk about my day easily. Step 3. Read and listen a lot. Grammar is easier to learn if you see and hear real English. I read short stories, news, and even subtitles of movies. I also listened to podcasts and English songs. This helped me understand how native speakers use grammar naturally. One trick I used is shadowing. I listened to a sentence, repeated it out loud, and tried to copy the pronunciation and grammar. For example, audio, she has been waiting for an hour. Me, she has been waiting for an hour. At first, it was hard, but every day I got better. Step 4. Practice speaking. Grammar is not only for writing. Speaking is very important. I practiced with friends, online teachers, and even in front of a mirror. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. For example, I once said, I goed to the market. My friend laughed and corrected me. It's I went to the market. I remembered it forever. Step 5. Use grammar in real life. The best way to master grammar is to use it every day. I wrote messages, emails, and small stories. I spoke with people in English whenever I could. Some examples are, I am learning English because I want to travel. Yesterday, I met my friend at the park. Tomorrow, I will study English again. Step 6. Learn step by step. Do not try to learn everything at once. Grammar is like building blocks. First, you need a strong foundation. Then you add more rules and ideas. For example, Week 1, nouns and verbs. Week 2, adjectives and adverbs. Week 3, present simple and past simple. Week 4, future simple and going to. By practicing every day, slowly but surely, your grammar will improve. Remember, mistakes are okay. I made many mistakes when I was learning. Sometimes people laughed. Sometimes I felt frustrated. But every mistake teaches you something new. The secret is to keep going. 8. Use tools and apps. I also used apps to help me check my grammar. Apps like Grammarly or simple grammar books can show you mistakes and correct them. But don't rely only on apps. Use them as helpers, but practice yourself is the key. 9. Make learning fun. I played grammar games, quizzes, and challenges. For example, I tried to write 10 correct sentences every day. Then I read them aloud. Fun activities make learning easier. 10. Be patient and consistent. Mastering grammar is not instant. It takes time. I practiced every day for months, but it worked. Slowly, I could write longer sentences, speak more fluently, and understand English texts easily. Remember, grammar is like a map. Without a map, you can get lost in a city. But with a map, you know where to go. Grammar shows you the path in English. So now I challenge you. Start today. Write one sentence, read one story, or speak one sentence in English. Every small step counts. One day you will look back and see how far you have come. Thank you for watching. I hope my journey helps you master English grammar too. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, English grammar is not your enemy, it's your key to success.